Hey guys, just touched down in New Jersey. Gonna visit some family, do some stuff, but I gotta take a look at my mom's 2017 Honda HRV. She's got this little issue and she's very concerned, like moms are, and I'll take a look at it. But right now, we gotta get our luggage and then head over to Budget Rental, pick up a truck. I booked a Tacoma, so let's see what happened. So here we are again, and we're supposed to get Tacoma, but we have another Jeep. So I think I've done a few reviews on Jeep Gladiators, and she's not happy.
I'm doing another review on a Jeep Gladiator.
All right, just pulling up. We're over here in Irvington, New Jersey. Yeah, that brings back the old days. All right, there's the car. Take a look at it later. So this was the first generation of the HRV. And it had the Honda design signature in the front at the time. This one had some alloy wheels. Some 17-inch. And put the handle up on the top here. Kind of keeps the lines clean. So all-wheel drive. I must say the new car is it looks fresh, but I think I prefer this design. Okay, so if you get this warning light that your key is not detected, then you've changed your batteries in your key fob, you've done everything else, your fob is fine. Especially if you have a spare fob and it works, but you keep getting that light or you have problems starting, it's most likely some other problem, and we'll get into that in a few. So just hang on, I'll show you how to fix it. And thanks for watching. So this HRV is fuel efficient. It doesn't have much up and go. I was trying to pass this bus behind me. Man, I was almost fish food. So I've been doing some reading, some research, nothing conclusive. I'm gonna head to the dealer, see what they say. So after speaking to the service representative at the dealer, seems like it's gonna cost me a bunch of money. So I priced the part that I suspected was bad, and we'll just replace it. I'll take a chance, but on Amazon, I'm not sure how good this is. You can get it for this price, but I paid about $93. All right, so went in the back. I don't know why my mom has these shanks in her car. Well, she's got a few tools, so I'm gonna use a rag. So that'll save me driving around looking for a trim tool. So I was already able to pry it out a little bit, so I'm just gonna keep working it out. I hope the cops don't pull up, think I'm trying to steal this car. All right, so there we go. Boop. And see here, there's two tabs. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but the dealer wanted to charge $165 just to troubleshoot, and then I would have to pay for the labor in the part. But I've decided to price the part, and it was about $97. Later on, I saw they were like $40 on Amazon, but I'm not sure about the Amazon parts if they're genuine. But at least I'm gonna change this out right now. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Stream up, line it up. Oh no! Oh, I have it upside down. It goes like this. That's why. Let me ask this guy. The only thing is I can't return the electrical parts. So if it doesn't, well. Problem fixed. Have it off. The light's not there anymore. Woo. You're a superhero, babe. Okay, I'll get this back together. We've been driving around for a few hours. The gauge hasn't moved. This is real fuel efficient. Despite that issue, I'm kind of disappointed in Honda for this car. 20,000 miles, 6 years old. The switch already went bad, but I'll still recommend the HRV, especially a small, because I researched this car before I got it for my mom. And if you live in an area where you need all-wheel drive, it snows sometimes, you need a little space, flexibility with your cargo inside. It's not low to the ground, it's easy to get in and out. So this is a good option for someone without a big family and just need a car to use to groceries, get around, and want it to be fuel efficient. So I still recommend this car.